जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता फर्स्ट चैप्टर अर्जुन विषाद योगमु 38th श्लोक। Arjuna is saying to Sri Krishna, "Oh Sri Krishna, this Duryodhana is willing to enjoy entire kingdom by himself. That is why he is getting ready to fight with me. Along with him, to support him, all these Bhishma and other soldiers also came down. But Krishna, if I am going to fight and if I am going to kill all of them, this entire dynasty, Kshatriya Kulam, everything will be vanished. Is that not a big sin, Krishna?" That is a big sin, but these people are not understanding that. That is how Arjuna is expressing his view to Krishna. While remembering this meaning and while visualizing that we are sitting right in front of Sri Krishna Paramatma, and also thinking that Krishna Paramatma doing Gitopadesam to us directly, let us now chant the sloka. Yadyapyete na pasyanti lobhopahata चेतसः कुलक्षयकृतं दोषं मित्रद्रोहे च पातकम्। ओम। The moral from this sloka which we have to be practicing: what is right, what is wrong, do not decide by yourself. Consult elderly people. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita from 18th chapter through 65th and 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna says, "Always think about me and keep on inculcating love and devotion towards me. Do all your actions as service to me and keep saying Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Keep on having a thought that you are belonging of me and surrender to me unconditionally. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Do not cry. Ma Suchaha. Keep reading at least one sloka a day from my Bhagavad Gita. Keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita to all the devotees. If you do like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall definitely liberate you from all kind of sins." Now let us give a word to Sri Krishna Paramatma, thinking that, believing that this is what is the greatest puja that we are doing to make Krishna Paramatma happy. "Oh Srimannarayana, I shall not decide what is right, what is wrong by myself, but I shall definitely consult elderly people. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on inculcating love and devotion towards you. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall be doing all my actions as your service and keep saying that Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall always think that I am your belonging. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall be reading at least one sloka a day from Bhagavad Gita. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Bhagavad Gita among devotees. Oh Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. Karishye vachanam tava." Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Bhagavatam. निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टू श्री सुख महर्षि. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनि मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. Namaskaram to Srimannarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam Namaskritya Naranchaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayet. Suta Maharshi is telling all Saunaka and other rishis, O Maharshis, Bhishma Pitamaha, he is now seeing, he is now looking at Pandavas, those who came down to visit him. All the Pandavas, they are obediently standing right in front of Bhishma Pitamaha, and now Bhishma is moving to tears with so much of love towards them. And then he is saying that, oh my dear children, you all have gone through so many troubles, but you have never given up. You never gave up Achyuta's association. You never gave up righteousness, dharmam. You never gave up association of great people, elderly people. Oh my dear children, after your father departed, Panduraju departed, Kunti Devi, your mother, have gone through so many troubles to raise all of you. My dear children, this is all because of the time. Nothing is in our control. If I look at you, Dharmaja, you are the embodiment of Dharmam. And Bhima is there, Arjuna is there, and all of you are always associated with Krishna Paramatma. Even after all this, you have gone through so many troubles. So this is all Sri Krishna's Sankalpam. Oh my dear children, the one who is standing right next to you, he is Sri Krishna Paramatma. This entire time, the Kalam, everything runs according to his own will, his orders. Whatever that he resolves, it happens. But none of us will be realizing what he resolves to do. Oh my dear children, this Sri Krishna Paramatma, Sakshat Adyaha Narayana Puman, he is Narayana. He is the reason for this entire creation. Such Sriman Narayana is now with you all. He himself came down in this Sri Krishna Paramatma's form, and he is now serving you all in each and every possible way. He is your friend. He is your well-wisher. He is your minister. He is your guide. He is your messenger. He is your ambassador. Like this, he is giving so many services to you all. Oh my dear children, the glory of this Sri Krishna Paramatma can be realized only by great Paramasiva, Devarshi Narada, Kapila, and enlightened souls. Not everybody will be able to realize him. Oh my dear children, while serving you all, Krishna Paramatma also there in every one of your heart as Antaryami, in my heart and in each and every entities. He is supporting everyone as Antaryami. Oh my dear children, there is no entity left without presence of Narayana. Such Narayana, even after pervading everywhere, even after having equal vision towards each and every entity, yet if anyone loves Paramatma, loves Sri Krishna, he loves them so much. Now look at here. Oh my dear children, because he thought that I am going to be departing from this body, he himself came down to give me his darshanam. Sakshat Krishna darshanamagataha. He came down here to give me his beautiful darshanam before I leave this body. That is how he loves his devotees. Like this, Bhishma Pitamaha revealing the glory of Sri Krishna Paramatma to all Pandavas. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Amarasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, first chapter, 38th sloka. Yadyapyete napasyanti lobhopahata chetasaha kulakshaya krutam dosham mitradrohe cha పాతకం. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.